Hey there, friends. How y'all doing? I've been tinkering around a bit, and as you know, I'm going to be uploading artificial intelligence content on the channel, and I've come across, well, I'm using something that could be really useful. Now, on to the next level, because we're going to be taking it step by step. I think what people are working on the most right now are artificial intelligence agents. So, what I found for our Google browser as an extension are some types of agents you can work with. You won't have to just go to ChatGPT anymore. You'll have it right there in your taskbar or however you use it, but now inside your browser. And you can use it in the following ways. Alright, we're back again. Harp is the tool I want to talk to you about, and what makes it different from all the other artificial intelligence tools. We've already mentioned ChatGPT, Grok, Gemini. Well, the thing is, we can add this as an extension inside the browser. And once it's installed, we'll see all the things we can do with it, because it's really great, okay? Each of you can look it up on Google Chrome or whatever browser you have, all right? Read the general description, whatever you have available. All right, we've got it installed. So what have I seen here that we can use, for example? There are endless possibilities because, as you can see, for example, if you were already working with ChatGPT, great. Or if you were using Claude, Gemini, Grok, right? You can also use Harpa's models, and you can set it up in different ways, okay? So what else do we have here?
A 101.
Here's the introduction.
Harpa is the most practical AI agent for the web, capable of summarizing long videos and websites, writing emails for you in your unique voice, correcting mistakes in text, helping you pass exams, composing articles, extracting keywords, and auditing websites for SEO.
As you'll see, you'll soon realize the endless things you can do if you learn how to use this tool, because I really think it's totally worth it. I'm not going to use it for all the different things it can do, for example, because I'll be using it for other purposes. Later, I'll show you something I've seen. I think it's funny that you can actually do it, but anyway, I'll let you watch a bit more so we can see it together, and then we'll move on.
Personal API keys and over 20 LLM models from OpenRouter and even local LLMs. The built-in Cloud GPT AI agents intelligently pick commands, search the web, and answer contextually while respecting your system prompt and language settings. Type research or Google and Harpa will research a question for you. Ask it to clarify something.
The thing is, you can set up a search to plan a trip, and then you have the simplicity of, for example, ChatGPT, where you ask a question and it automatically answers you with a sentence or a paragraph. So, what's different about using it with an agent? Well, it tells you the price, where you can eat, and the day you should go. Do this or that, what events are happening, cancellations. So, the thing about agents, just so you understand, is that it's like having a person, like a secretary or an employee, someone who manages tasks for you. The hard part about agents is knowing how to use them, meaning giving them specific instructions so you don't have to do it yourself and they do it for you. That'll advance a lot, and little by little, we'll learn how to do it. Let's go.
And it will run the explain command to a Visteel. Press Alt plus V to capture an area from the web page, pick an option, or ask a question. For example, convert an image to text to avoid manual typing. Or select a part of the web page and ask a question about it.
Of course, any kind of information you're looking for, if you're curious to know what Europe was like, how many people live there, if you're studying and need it to solve a problem for you, 1,000 things.
Test your assignment and solve it in one click. You can get key points from lengthy YouTube videos without watching them entirely by clicking on the Summarize button. The video summary will show on the timeline, so you can quickly find the segment you need.
That has seemed really interesting to me because as a YouTuber user myself, you get sent the typical video you have to watch that someone told you about. Well, you just open it and YouTube automatically detects that you already have the Harpa extension installed and gives you a summary of the video. If it's one of those 30-minute or hour-long videos or more like a podcast, it can give you a summary of the channel or a summary of what they're talking about or even break it down by sentences, and it does it instantly. That I really liked a lot, and it's one of the reasons why I'm going to use it. Let's see.
Alternatively, click Seek in Video, type your question, and Harpa will find the answer and point to the relevant part. Harpa simplifies your interactions with AI using pre-made commands. Start typing a keyword or command name, and Harpa will suggest the most relevant commands for you. Or type a / in chat to access all of the pre-made commands organized by category. For specific commands, type their name or service, like /YouTube. Try using the repurpose video command to turn a YouTube video into a blog post.
Let it find trending videos for you, do searches so you don't have to look up all kinds of information yourself, and make things simple for you. That's what agents are for. So it can take actions without us having to keep an eye on everything, but instead just let it handle things. I need information about something, but like I mentioned before, it's not going to be just a simple chat GPT of question and answer, question and answer. Instead, you give it an order to do a specific task. You always have to specify it well, and it gives you the steps to follow. That's the best part. It's the new breakthrough that's coming with artificial intelligence.
You can convert any content into a blog post, article, tweet, or other formats. Then enhance it with relevant LSI keywords and external links. If you like a prompt, add it to your favorites to speed up your workflow. If you're handling large volumes of text or PDFs, Harpa AI can be your next level work tool. Use the summary command to extract
Well, the usual thing, you have to study, right? Maybe a book or an exam for those of you who need to buckle down and really hit the books. So what this does is it synthesizes things for you, makes summaries and highlights the most important parts of the text so you can actually learn them. If you have to read 10 pages, this might mean you don't have to summarize it yourself anymore. It breaks everything down for you. I think it's fantastic. A great tool.
points from the text and save time reading, or ask questions about the page with page-aware mode on. Harpa is well suited for those involved in SEO optimization, offering numerous commands for rewriting to better comply with Google's EAT guidelines. For example, you can rewrite articles with better...
What a great show Game of Thrones was, huh? By the way, I don't know if they'll ever make something like that again, but oh well.
SEO optimization using the outrank article command, or search for and extract LSI keywords from a web page. To customize the default commands, use Harpa X or S plans. Every command is a sequence of steps that are run one by one, and each step is designed to perform a single function. Select any text on any web page to bring up a quick access bar. For instance, highlight text in Notion and use the rephrase option with a single click. These capabilities go beyond Notion to any web page you visit. Boost your writing efficiency with AI shortcuts. Need a quick grammar check? Double tap / and then G. Highlight anything you don't know on any page. Double tap /+E to explain. These shortcuts will transform your days.
Well, well, well. You can see how many things it can do for us and how much it can help. Honestly, I see it as being better than having ChatGPT or Gemini, whichever one you use, just sitting in your taskbar and having a section in your browser for AI agents, in this case from Harpa.
You can personalize AI to your liking. Go to the settings in the top right, share some info about yourself, and describe how you usually write. This option needs to be set only once. Open an email and double type / followed by R to activate the reply command. Select a writing style or type your instructions and get a result. Or start writing a draft yourself, then click the Finish Writing button in Gmail. Harpa will transform your draft into a complete response in your style. That saves hours of work.
The fact that it can reply to emails for you already seems pretty wild to me. I mean, nowadays, knowing how to use agents and ultimately using agents that work together seems to me like one of the tools that's really going to make our lives a lot easier. Let's see.
Harpa comes with a robust prompt parameter system. Take two curly braces to get a list of supported parameters. For instance, use page to reference the web page content or transcript for the YouTube video transcript. You can also create your own parameters and reference them in pre-configured and custom commands. Type a flash and click the Create button at the top. Choose a name for your command and press the Add Step button. Use the Ask step to request input. Harpa will display a question in the chat, wait for your input, and store your response in a parameter. The GPT step sends a prompt to the AI. Write a prompt that aligns with your task. Don't forget to include the input parameter in your prompt.
But you can set it to whatever language you want, so to change it to the language. And what's more, it corrects mistakes in a text without you having to do it yourself. If you're typing quickly and don't notice, and you forget to add a letter or something, the agent will make a perfect text for you, so it looks like it was written by someone educated who knows what they're doing.
Finally, use the jump step to loop back to the start of the prompt. Make sure the initial step has a label set. Click Save to store your new command and test it. Once you have a personal library of custom commands, they'll be really useful and save you a ton of time. Harpa can monitor and automate actions on websites for you, saving you time, effort, and money. Go to the Automate tab and click on a value you want to monitor, then press Start. Harpa will periodically check the page in the background and notify you once the price.
Wow, 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 this really seems awesome to me and a really good use case. I mean, it can compare prices for you, find you the best deal, keep an eye out for a product you're waiting for and let you know the moment it's available, or you can set a spending limit, like any offer that has a 15, 20, or 30% discount. Well, this could be a really great tool because you don't have to be at home checking when you need to do it. You just set it up and it'll do it automatically for you.
Drops. Check your monitors anytime from the Automations dashboard. It can track any web page changes like product availability or competitors' content updates and...
Wow, 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 wow. Tell me what you think about Harpa, the AI tool with agents that we shared today. I think it's just crazy. Anyone who knows how to use this right now, which I think is pretty complex, huh? There's a lot to learn, but it's going to make things so much easier for them in their daily life and at work. This is what lets you have time for the things you enjoy most, instead of having to do those typical computer tasks that used to take up so much of your time, so you can be freer. But anyway, let me know in the comments if you want me to post more content about how to use agents and more AI tools to help us in our lives. Leave a big like and stay tuned for more videos. Big hug, goodbye.